Best stocks in India for financial planning in 2024. When building a solid financial plan for the future, understanding investment opportunities is vital, especially for students aiming to grow wealth early. As of 2024, Indian markets offer exciting prospects in top-performing sectors like technology, finance, consumer goods, and telecommunications. Investing in fundamentally strong companies with consistent growth and solid financials forms the foundation of a successful portfolio. Here are 10 notable stocks that align with long-term financial planning goals. Sector Conglomerate, Petroleum, Retail, Telecom. Reliance Industries stands out due to its diversified portfolio, covering petrochemicals, retail, and telecommunications. With strategic investments in new technologies, it is well positioned for future growth. Sector Banking and Financial Services. HDFC Bank is renowned for its stability and consistent performance. Its leadership in private banking makes it a reliable choice for investment planning. Continue enhancing other company sections similarly while maintaining flow and relevance to financial planning and a student audience.